Hello students, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today you'll be learning how to change the desktop settings, the simple desktop settings. So today you'll be learning how to change the desktop background, how to change the theme, and how to change the date and time of your desktop. So now let's go for changing the background. So now this is my desktop. All I need to do is I'll place the cursor anywhere on the desktop and then I just right click and then go for personalize. When I go for personalize, I get a screen wherein I go for the desktop background. Once I go for the desktop background, I can select the background which I require. For instance, if I'm going for this background, so I'll be just I'll just click on it and I'm going to save the changes. It's very easy. So now if I want to change back the desktop background, like I like flowers as my desktop background, so I'll just go for the flowers and then I can change it. So it's very easy changing your desktop background. So now if I want to, for instance, if I want to change the other settings, display settings. So now here, even it is the same for the themes. The theme and the background, changing the theme and the background settings is one and the same. So all you need to do is just go to your desktop screen, place the cursor anywhere on the desktop, just right click and go for personalize, and then you can change the desktop background. If you want to change it to any picture, for instance, you can just go for desktop background, go for browse, and then you can go for desktop where you have placed the image which you require and select the image which you want. So I will be changing it to, let me see if I have got the pictures over here. Okay, I'll just go to my PC. Okay, let me check the picture folder. So here I have got a number of pictures. Let me see if I have any of the good pictures. Look, if I want to change it to this, I can change the background to this one, to this picture. If I want this to be this one, I can change it to this. So it's very easy. You need to just browse and change the background. So you can select the picture which you require and change it. So if I want, I can change it to any picture which I require. Then go for save changes. You can see it over here. And if I want to just go back to my desktop background, I can just go there. Okay, if I want line and colors, I can take this one. And now if I require flowers, so now I'll go for the flower background and I save the changes. And now if I want to add any screensaver, so I just click on the screensaver, and now the screensaver, I want it to be bubbles. So I just select bubbles and I want it to appear after 1 minute. So if I am not doing any work for 1 minute, it is going to give me the bubbles. So when I resume, it is going to display the log on screen. If you want to preview it, you can see here. So if I just select my screensaver as bubble, the time when I am not doing any work on my laptop and it is idle, it is going to show me the bubbles. So now, if I want to give a 3D text, so I can select 3D text and settings. I want my name to appear, or you can select whatever you give, it is going to come as a 3D text, and then you can take OK. So if you want to preview it, look here, it is going to give the 3D text whatever you have created as your screensaver. And now if I go for something else like Mustify, or it is going to give me this way preview. Look at this. So whenever your laptop is idle, whenever you're not working on your laptop, it is going to display the screensaver. And then now if I am going to go for photos, I can give the photos which I select. If I go for ribbons, it is going to give me the ribbons, and then all you need to do is to select the screensaver and then click on apply and take OK. So now here, if I take bubbles preview, look, it is going to give me like this. So now you have seen the 3D text also. And also the Mustify. This is the Mustify. So now I'm not going to select any screensaver. So I'll just apply and take OK. Okay, so now that is the way you create the screensaver. And now going for your date and time. If you want to change your date and time, all you need to do is go to the place where the date and time is displayed and click. Once you click, you get the clock. You can change the date and time settings. So here you can change the date and time to whatever date and time you wish to, and then just press OK. And now if you want to change the time zone, you can just select the time zone which you require. There is a list of time zones over here, so you can select the time zone which you require. And just you need to click apply and OK, and your date and time is going to change the way you wish to be. And if you require additional clocks, you can put the additional clocks. I need to just click on show this clock, and then it is going, and then the additional clock is going to appear for me. So now here I'm going to get an additional clock if I take apply and OK. Look over here. So now if I do not want an additional clock, I'll just uncheck, apply and OK. So this is the way you change your date and clock setting. And about the screen resolutions, if you want to change your screen resolutions, you have to just click on the screen resolution and change it to whatever resolution you require. Go to resolution and change it to whatever resolution you require, and then click on apply and OK. So look at this. I have taken a screensaver wherein the screensaver, I mean to say, I have taken a background wherein the background changes after every 30 minutes. So here I have selected the flowers, and they are going to appear after 30 minutes. Look, I have taken all the flowers over here, and I have taken the picture change every 30 minutes. So it is going to give me a new picture, a new picture of the flower after every 30 minutes. So this way you can select a number of images at the same time, and then give the time when it has to change, like when you wish it to change, same like a screensaver. Like in the screensaver, I told you to take the screensaver and it is going to appear after 1 minute. So after you wait for 1 minute, and on resume display the logon screen. So apply and OK. So I'm just keeping the screensaver now. About the desktop icons, so these are the desktop icons. If I want the icons to change, I can just go for change icon, and I can change the icons over here, and then once I change, it is going to change all the icons. And now here, and click on OK. So now if I want to restore something, okay, this is the recycle bin. Whatever you delete goes to the recycle bin. You all must be knowing about it. This is the recycle bin. Whatever you delete goes, whatever file you delete. Okay, let me create one folder over here. For example, for instance, if I create a folder, just right click. How to create a folder? Just right click, new, and folder. When I create this folder, I just write here XYZ, the folder name, and then I want to delete it. I just right click and delete. So it is going to go to the recycle bin. If you wish, you can check the recycle bin, and then you will find all the deleted files in the recycle bin. If you want to check for the folder which you have deleted recently, XYZ, and now I want to restore it back to the desktop, I simply right click and press on and click on restore, and I close. So look over here, I got the folder back. So this is the way you can restore the things from the recycle bin. And now here you have, on the right click you have everything. In short, on a right click you can do a lot of things in your computer. On right click you create a folder. On a right click you personalize your computer. On a right click you change the screen resolutions. On a right click you can change the graphic options, the graphic properties, and then you can undo any move, and you can change the view. So you can do a lot of things on a single right click. Okay, let me tell you about the view option. If I want the icons, if I want to view the icons, like if I want them to be in a bigger size, so here it is, I take the large icons, I get all the icons in the bigger size. So now if I just right click and go for view, and I want them to be smaller, and I want them to be auto arrange, align icons to the grid, and I want to show the desktop icon. So here I just go for the small icons, I get the small icons. So now if I right click and I go for view, I can change the view to large icons, medium icons, small icons. I can auto arrange them, align them, and then I can even sort them. I can sort them according to the names, according to the date modified, and according to the item type and the size. So that's all today. That's all for today about the basic desktop settings. Like and subscribe to my channel to get the videos. Thank you.